Let me ask you something. Are you someone who feels that no matter how hard you try, life just is not moving forward? Like you're stuck in the same loop, doing the same things, feeling the same way, but then you promise yourself, tomorrow I'm going to change everything. And then tomorrow comes, but nothing actually changes. If you have been there, trust me, I know that feeling. And this is exactly why you need to watch this video. Because I have been there, completely stuck, completely frustrated, did not even know where to start. But here's the thing, it wasn't a big dramatic incident or a perfect moment that changed my life. It was the small habits that I was building regularly that changed the way I live right now. So grab a cup of tea, coffee, water, anything and sit, because this is going to feel like a big sister chat and I'm going to share 10 habits, and if you follow these habits for 30 days, trust me, you will feel like a total new different version of yourself. Are you ready for it? I want you to know something before we dive in. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need a fancy planner. You do not have to get up 5 a.m. next day right away. Or you do not need to do 50 things right away. Change happens when you start small. So all you have to do is show up for yourself 1% better every day. And when you will look back in 30 days, you will be shocked at how far you have come. Let's do this together. No pressure, no crazy expectations, just small habits. Habit number 1 is waking 30 minutes earlier. So, if you are someone who does not have a morning routine, trust me, all you need to do is wake up 30 minutes before than your regular time, and that 30 minutes you need to devote to yourself. You can practice gratitude, and trust me, I have seen the change personally, because when we say to the universe that I am grateful for something, universe is like, okay, she is appreciating what I have given to her, let me give her more of it. Trust me on this, gratitude helps you in rewiring your brain, and if you follow this for 30 days, if you write at least 3 things that you're grateful for every day, then you can see a big change in your energy level, and you will see the shift in 30 days definitely. Habit number 2 is making your bed. So this is something very small and you might think this is so ridiculous, how is this going to help me? But trust me on this. If you make your bed right up in the morning, you will feel that you have already accomplished something, and it is like giving yourself a win right away. And plus, the feeling of crawling into a bed that has already been made up at night feels amazing. Habit number 3 is moving your body every day, and I do not mean to say that you have to go to the gym every day, you have to run 5 kilometers every day. You can do a little stretch, a little walk in the park, or walk in your balcony, or anywhere, just a little movement, because that will instantly boost up your mood and you will feel like, okay, we are doing something good today. Habit number 4 is drink water before anything else. And trust me, I was the person who used to wake up and check my phone for messages from someone or Instagram notifications, or maybe drink tea in the morning. But no, you do not have to grab a cup of coffee or tea or your phone before drinking water. Trust me, when you drink water, it's a sign for your body and your brain that okay, it's time to wake up. It releases toxins out of your body, and your skin is also going to thank you for this one habit. Habit number 5 is set daily intentions. So, mostly we just start off our day without thinking of the purpose, and at the end of the day, we might feel regretful that okay, it was not such a productive day. But if you do not even have a purpose or an intent for the day, how are you going to analyze at the end of the day what you did right or what you did wrong? So, you just need to write one intent for the day. How do I want to feel today, or what do I want to accomplish today? One single thing, and then at the end of the day, you will feel more aligned because you live with a purpose and not just by default. Habit number 6 is reduce your screen time. I know you might hate me for saying this, and this is a very difficult habit to form, but trust me, it helps you a lot, because most of the time we are just living in social media than in reality, and it is just so overwhelming. So what you can do is you can decide timings for yourself, like I won't use phone right after waking up, or I won't use phone for first 1 hour of the day, I won't scroll through my phone before sleeping. And these habits, trust me, you'll see the change in your mind and how your mind will be feeling so refreshed. Habit number 7 is read 10 pages a day. You might have heard people saying that learning is a lifetime activity, and yes, it is. You just need to keep improving yourself, and reading 10 pages a day is not too much. But if you read continuously for 30 days, it is like 300 pages in a month, and that's a lot of improvement that you are putting in yourself. You can read any type of books that you want. I personally love reading self-help book, but if you want, you can read read fiction, non-fiction, it totally depends upon you. You just need to start reading 10 pages because it gives you a new perspective. Habit number 8 is declutter one thing every day. You can either declutter your closet, your bed, your working space, or even your phone's gallery, because it's like creating space for something better to come into your life. Habit number 9 is practice self compassion. So I've been there where I used to scold myself that why am I not able to do this? Am I so stupid? Why can't I do this? I'm not smart enough. And trust me, if you say these words to you, you are only instilling beliefs in your subconscious mind. So even if you're not able to do something, you just need to practice self compassion. You just need to be little kinder to yourself, and you have to say to yourself, it's okay, I'm learning. It's okay, I could not do it today, I'll do it tomorrow. I went through such and such stuff. It takes some time. I'm totally trying to show up for myself, and I know I'll get better at this because it's important. And if your younger sister or your best friend is going through something similar, you are going to treat her with compassion, right? So why not do it with yourself? Habit number 10 is celebrate small wins. Only when you start acknowledging all your wins, you can feel better about yourself. May it be something very small. If you drank 3 liters of water, you need to start acknowledging that yes, that was a win for me. If you spent 1 hour of quality time with your mother, you need to start acknowledging that as a win also. Because once you start celebrating small wins, it keeps you humble. Because life actually happens in these small moments that we keep forgetting about. So don't let them pass away. Listen, if you are still here, I'm already proud of you, because this means that you actually want to change your life. And you do not have to practice all these 10 habits right away. You have 30 days for yourself, 30 different chances to show up for yourself. Start with one habit, start building that habit, and then you can move on to the next. If this video inspired you, let me know in the comment section below which habit are you starting with. If you already have a habit that has helped you change your life, let me know in the comment section below. Share it with us and make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to also subscribe to my channel for more such self-improvement content. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep glowing, keep growing.